and around the airfield. So I am not saying that it could have been a bird hit, but the fact that the pilots gave a mayday and we see the aircraft climb to max altitude on flight radar close to 625 feet, which would be about 425 feet off the ground. The airfield elevation is about 200 at Ahmedabad. So they did climb to 425 feet. On the aircraft, they could have engaged autopilot, but it appears to be that they've lost power in both the engines for the airplane to have come down in a controlled manner like that.
Yes. And because most experts like yourself are suggesting that even loss of one engine should not lead to a crash like this, I want to understand from you, if this was, let's say, a bird-related incident, can it take off both? Can it take out both engines like this so quickly after takeoff, within a minute or so?
It is possible, ma'am. Like the United aircraft where Captain Sully Slumberger, went down into the Hudson. It is possible for both the engines to get affected by birds.
Okay, and looks like there would have been very little reaction time to control anything. What do you make of the situation the pilots would have faced if this, let's say, both engines went out so quickly after takeoff?
The pilots did a fabulous job keeping the wings level to minimize any kind of damage, and the aircraft's gone down in a controlled manner. They probably have done everything possible which they have been trained for